We've worked with the Suki theme in this flower shop landing page, and you could have used any theme. You could have even built everything directly within Brizy. At the bottom of our page, we have a footer, and we haven't touched the footer yet. Let's just go and tweak it a little bit. We're not going to make a complicated footer with all kinds of bells and whistles and widgets. We're just going to keep it very standard, but let's just go and see where it is in the theme and how we can style it. To find the footer, well, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you'll find the footer. Now, actually, we don't have much of a footer here. Many footers can be very elaborate with a lot of widgets. In this tutorial, we'll stick to a very basic footer here at the bottom, just maybe something like copyright, or the person, maybe your website administrator, whatever you want to put there at the bottom. So let's see how we can apply our footer here, make a few small changes here to the footer. Remember, in Brizy Free with your theme, you are going to make the changes in the footer within your theme. So it's always important that you get a good theme. If you're going to work with the free version, if you have lots of pages especially, then you will need to have more control over the footer. And every time you need to make changes to the theme, you have to customize it. I'm going to go up here to customize, and that will take me directly into the customizer of the theme. What you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see the little icon here within the blue circle. And if you click on it, it's going to automatically take you to everywhere you need to be. So you have all the information over here. Let's just scroll down to see what's going on. Now, this is what we call the footer builder, and the header builder a little bit similar to this as well. You can see, for example, here it says copyright. And if I were to click on this, it's going to remove that entire element there. And now we don't have a footer anymore. So what do I do now? Well, that's easy. You can just grab over here the copyright and drag it again into the center. And that's the kind of control that you will have over this within a theme builder like this with Suki. Many new themes, they have this kind of builder option. If you want to bring it to the left, you can drag it over here and then it will move here to the left and you can play around with the styling as so. For example, let's say you want to have your social media icons next to it. You're going to drag that in there, and then you will go set that within the theme for the social media settings over there. I'm going to leave the copyright, so I deleted the social media icons, and I'm going to keep the copyright. It's called copyright and can be called anything, right? So I'm going to select everything and just call it Made with Love by JB. I know that's corny. Made with love. Let's leave it like that before we get to corny. So there you go. You can change your settings over here. You can hyperlink settings over here. You can add social footer menus, and you have options over here, widgets as well. We are not going into that, but this gives you an idea of what you can do with the footer. And if you don't need a footer, it's as easy as deleting this option in here, making sure that the footer is empty at the bottom, and you will see it's empty. Many times I don't know what is the purpose of a footer because I have everything on my page and I don't need more. But I do find that if I scroll down to any page and it just stops this abruptly, it feels a little bit incomplete. I don't have closure, like this page doesn't finish. So try put something in there, you know, and that's why I would stick with my copyright Made with Love or something like that I had just entered there. So we have a little bit of that over there. And let's save our work, we publish it. And if we go now to the front end, we just exit over here. Will take us back to the front end, scroll down. There we go, Made with Love, and now your day is complete.